In today's video, we're going to be working on this dropping gas cooktop. There's two things you want to pay attention to. You have your gas line and you also have your outlet right here. Depending on your make and your model, obviously the install is going to vary. Here we have the bottom. This is the gas valve. Just make sure when you put your gas valve in that you use the proper threading and tape to install our gas line. Obviously make sure that your gas is off. Here we put in our drop-in cooktop, and again, as I said, depending on the make and model, it's going to vary as far as connections and installing the gas valve on the bottom. So here we have the gas valve, and when you make your connections, you're just going to hand tighten it. Once you finish installing it, you want to test it. If this video was a help, if it was informational, please subscribe.